Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a Shopee seller account. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your PC or laptop and head over to Shopee.com. And then from here, you want to choose your country or region you're from. So I'm going to click on Brazil. I'm not from Brazil, but I'm going to just use that as a demonstration. And now, if you want to change the language, near the top right hand corner, click on the language and then click on English from here too. This will reload the website. And then from here, you want to click on Start Selling. Give it a few moments to load. Alright, so at Shopee, grow your business and sell more online. Alright, so what you need to do is sign up. So add in your phone number, or you can sign up using Facebook or Google. For this demonstration, I'm going to use Google. Choose my email address, click on continue. Now this should reload like so. Right, as you can see, it's not in English, so I'm going to wait for it to reload again. Alright, I'm going to translate this page to English. I'm going to right click, translate to English. Alright, from here you can even click on personal store or business store. For this demonstration, I'm going to do personal store. And now from here, you need to choose your store type. So you need to add in your full name, nationality, your CPF, your date of birth, your store information, your contact, your phone number, telephone, and then the verification code you'll get. And then after you filled out this page, click on finish and you're all set to go. So yeah, that's how to create a Shopee seller account. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.